Did you know that colours don't only describe objects, but can also be used to make idioms? Let's learn some of these now. Green with envy, meaning to be very jealous. I don't like working with her. She's always green with envy. Golden opportunity, the perfect chance. If I agree to this offer, I will get a golden opportunity. To see red, to be very, very angry. I saw red when they called me at 6 a.m. yesterday morning. Green thumb or green-fingered, to be skilled at gardening. My grandmother is a real green thumb. The green light, permission. I got the green light to start the project. To be yellow, meaning not to be brave. I was yellow when I had to go to the stage.